Welcome to my YouTube channel Safety Guidelines. I am Fahim. Yes, Fahim Azam. The topic for this video is very interesting and informative. It is very special as it is related to our future generations. Yes, it's safety for kids. Let's move on. Please do watch it thoroughly until the end to get benefits of this video. Autumn and spring are the seasons with mild temperatures. Therefore, many young kids play outside and make contact with electrical items. So, I want to remind you of the important electricity safety lessons to teach your children and grandchildren. Number 1. Fly kites far away from power lines. Electricity always finds the quickest way to the ground, which could be down a kite string if it touches the energized power line. Number 2. Don't fly drones near power lines. If flying toys hit a power line, they could cause a power outage or even worse, cause a downed power line which is extremely hazardous. Number 3. Stay away from electrical substations. If a ball or toy ends up over the fence surrounding a substation, please call your local power supplier for help. Substations should only be entered by trained professionals with the proper safety equipment. Number 4. Never play on transformers. Underground pad mount transformers should be clearly marked with a safety warning. Do not play under or near overhead transformers. Teach kids not to climb on or play around these poles. Before going to the remaining tips, let me remind you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon too. So let's move to number 5. Do not climb trees near power lines. If branches touches the wires, the tree could be energized. Even branches that are close but not touching a power line could become dangerous in windy conditions or if the weight of a child is added. Number 6. Electricity and water don't mix it. Keep all electrical equipment away from water. Do not plug in electronics that may have been damaged by water. Number 7. Never yank an electric cord from the wall. Pulling the cord could damage the appliance, plug or outlet. Remove the appliance safely by pulling on the plug. Number 8. Avoid using damaged cords. Frayed or worn out cords can be a safety hazard. There is possibility of electrocution. Number 9. Electric cords should be kept out of way. Keep all cords out of main traffic areas where people could trip. You should also be careful not to pinch them in doorways or run them under rugs. Thank you for watching my video. Do remember to subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to receive notification regarding my further informative video clips. Like, comment and share my videos to encourage me and my safety team. Have a good time. See you in the next clip. Till then, goodbye.